everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your bitpay.com account. If you're looking for a way to sign in or log into Bitpay, then the process is quite straightforward. So let's jump in right into the video. Launch open a web browser and go to bitpay.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Bitpay. From the main home page, click on the login link at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the login area. To log into your account, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your account's password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to begin by clicking on the sign up link at the bottom and follow through the instructions in order to create a new account first. Once you've created an account, you can log into it by entering the email address in the first text box. Enter your email associated with Bitpay in the first text box and make sure to type it in correct. Once you are done, head over to the new field where it says password and type in your correct password for your Bitpay account. After you are done, click on submit. If you don't remember your password during the process, get help by clicking on forgot your password at the bottom. After you enter your correct password and click log in, you'll be able to log into your bitpay.com account right away. So that's how easy it is to log in and sign in to Bitpay. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.